In this presentation, I am describing three of my favorite. This distinction into word I am explaining where three are how due to what people can do and I am comparison chain superlatives and past present continuous tense using adjectives comparatives. 1. Paris, France. Localization: Paris is in the north of France in Europe. Work How work get there? You can get there by planes, months, international flights arrived at Charles de Gaulle Airport. You can also travel by train for Hort European excursions. Types of vacation: sightseeing, cultural trips, romance vacation. Activities and tradition: People are visiting museums, walking near town, seeing rivers, and taking photos of the Eiffel Tower. Tourists are driving streets, folk lights, crossings, and grips. People are working hard to elephants to work and they are taking pictures. Street artists are drawing portraits and tourists are enjoying the city. 2. Tokyo, Japan. Location: Tokyo is in the heart of Japan in Asia. Hold to grab train. You can get three biplanes. Planes arrived at Narita or Hanebe Airport. Three months of vacation. Technically, trips culture vacation 16. People are shopping in modern districts, visit temples, and eating sushi. Traditional festivals are celebrated during 3 years. People are crossing Chai Street is in Shibuya. Hotels are shopping and taking photos. Chai City is shining with Bridget Lynch. 3. New York City, USA. Location: New York City is in the northeast of the United States. How to get 3. You can head 3 biplane Phoenix arrived and give LaGuardia Hope or Newark Airport. Day of vacation. City tours, shopping trains, sightseeing activities, and tradition. People are walking Broadgate shows walking in Central Park and visit famous buildings. Pictorial description: People are walking in the Scurry Tay are walking Tay screams and taking pictures. Tay City is very bus. Comparison: Paris is more in the New York. The New York City is more modern town. Paris News is bigger town. Tokyo has its most advanced technology. Paris adds its tradition for New York City has their unique strip. The people Paris are one the people in New York City in Tokyo are very spirited. Conclusion: their destinies have are very interesting and different. Each place has unique tradition, food, and activities, and they are great options for different types of vacation.